Hey, what is up guys, it's Maze here, and today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to make a progressive house track with STADIUMX style. So yeah, let's do this. I'm gonna open up FL real quick. I work in FL actually so yeah, it's my first video on YouTube, so yeah. What I usually do is just open up a piano and mess around. Anyways, I have a keyboard right here, and then yeah. Alright, so guys, I just made this melody. So yeah. So after I finish the chords and the melody, I just start with the leads, like layering the leads and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna do it right now. Alright guys, I just added compression, a little bit of reverb, and EQ, and sidechain of course. So yeah, it sounds right now like this. This is without effects, and this is with the effects. So alright, so yeah. Now I'm gonna make the bass, and you guys know the bass of STADIUMX, right? This fucking shit looks awkward, but you guys know what I'm talking about, right? Alright, so yeah, first I'm gonna do the sub. It's a normal sub sine wave from Nexus, basic sine. So yeah. Okay, this is a trick that I always do. I don't know why. I just like add a camel crusher and then high cut. It's get fatter. Like look without, and now with. It's get like more fat and stuff. So yeah, I just do it, and then a really extreme sidechain. So it's gonna sound like. Alright. We're getting there. So we have the sub right now, lead. And yeah, and now we gotta add the basses and shit. Yeah, so I'm gonna use Massive for that. And yeah, I'll piece that song. Alright. Okay, another piece. Alright guys, I just added some basses. Is this one? This is the first one. This is the second one. This one, yeah, this one has got like more like mid frequencies, and this one. So yeah, all together they sound like this. Alright, and with the sub bass it sounds like this. So. Alright, we're getting there. Yeah, right now I just gotta add like some synth chords, just like to support the leads, but support the bass as well. So yeah, I'm gonna take the chords. Is it recording? Okay. Alright, now I just added this chords. The first one is, and the second one is just, yeah, you know, and all together they sound like this. And now let's add them, and let's see how. I guess add a little bit of leads, and then it's gotta be like this. Alright, now let's add the kick and stuff. Okay, kick. I'll take by the way, this is my favorite kick. I like it. And it's on key as well, guys. And by the way, make sure that the kick is on key. So yeah, my kick is on G, and G in the scale of my key. So yeah, I got the kick right here. Alright. And alright, so I got the kick right here. Right, that is like the shit. Fuck. Right, they're supposed to be somewhere right here, I guess. And then like a white noise right as well, and I'll have it right here. So yeah, let's see how. I guess here, no, here, this last note is way too low, so I'm gonna put it like higher, so you can hear it even better. Delete. I guess, cause like these high frequencies, I see them quite annoying. So these frequencies, you see, I don't like them. So quick information, I'll just add unplug lead, because I just see that it needs that, so I'm just gonna add a plug lead and then so here is the final results. This is actually not bad, to be honest. Nah. Anyways, that was it for today's video. If you like it, press the like button, subscribe, follow me in the social media, all the stuff you gotta know. And yeah, this is actually my first video on YouTube, so yeah, if you like it, just support me, and I'll make sure to put like more tutorials and stuff. So see you guys later.